Formal, formal. At first, initially. Call off, cancel, away, absent. Speed up, accelerate, help, assist. At first, he was really scared. Initially, he was really scared. Since the weather is bad, let's call off that trip. Since the weather is bad, let's cancel that trip. When the cat's away, the mice will play. When the cat's absent, the mice will play. Inflation continues to speed up. Inflation continues to accelerate. I'm sorry, I can't help you. I'm sorry, I can't assist you. Lucky, fortunate, but however, wrong, incorrect, go up, increase, cheap, inexpensive. I have been lucky to find a career that I love. I have been fortunate to find a career that I love. I got to the airport 2 hours early, but my flight was delayed. I got to airport 2 hours early, however, my flight was delayed. The information you gave us was wrong. The information you gave us was incorrect. Prices will go up, I suppose. Prices will increase, I suppose. Those shoes are very cheap. Those shoes are very inexpensive. Wait for, await, fight, convert, use it, consume, small, diminutive, acclaim, disclose. Who knows what dangers may wait for us? Who knows what dangers may await us? There was a fierce fight between two sides. There was a fierce war between two sides. What kind of food do you eat? What kinds of food do you consume? Food. Despite its small size, the car is quite comfortable. Despite its diminutive size, the car is cute comfortable. He failed to explain all the information. He failed to disclose all the information.